properties of multiplication. We are going to be talking about the different properties today.
This week in math, we're talking about the commutative property. Factors can be multiplied in any order and will get the same product.
For example, 3 times 5, 3 groups of 5 in each is equal to 5 groups of 3 in each. Let's try 5 groups of 6 in each group. So 5 rows of 6 in each row.
3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in each. Now, this equals 30. Now, I think we like this way because you can do it either way. So you could switch 5 times 6 into 6 times 5. Now, we like this way because you can switch it around. So now we're going to do 6 times 5. So that'd be 6 groups with 5 in each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1.
Erase that.
Actually, we're going to do 5 groups with 6. We're going to do 5 times 6. We're going to do 5 groups with 6 in each. Now we're going to do the answer. So since there are 6 in each, you may count 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and then 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, and so your answer would be 30. The reason you can use a commutative property is because it makes it easier for you rather than doing 5 groups of 6. 5 groups of 3, because then you'd have 5 groups of 3, and it's easier to count by 5s than count by 3s.
This week we've also been learning about associative property. It allows you to group and regroup factors in a multiplication equation without changing the product.
For example, let's try 3 times 5 times 2. Now, the reason you can't do 3 times 5 plus 2, because you wouldn't get you could get an answer, but you wouldn't get the answer you wanted. So we may do 5 times 3, and we know that we can always count by 5. So 5, 10, 15. That would equal 15. Now we need to do that 2 more times. So we might do 15 times 3. That would get us, so we'd count 10s to 30. 10, 20, 30. So we'd put 30 plus, and we know that 5 plus 5 is 10, and 10 plus 5 is 15. So 30 plus 15 is equal to 45. Now we're going to do the same thing. 3 times 5 times 2. But instead, we're going to do 5 times 2 times 3. So we do 5 plus 5, well, 5 times 3 is equal to 15. And then we might, 5 times 2 is equal to 10. And so we have to do 10 3 times. So we know that 10 times 3 is equal to 30. So we just did 5 times 2 right there. And we did times 3 right there. We're going to do the same thing with the same numbers. But instead we're going to do 3 times 5 times 3 times 2, and here's bar 2 to tell you the rest.
Never mind. We're gonna do 3 times 3 times 2.
Now we're gonna do 3 times 3. And we know that 3 plus 3 is 6, and 6 plus 3 is 9. So now we're going to do that 2 times. So we're going to do 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. So your answer would be 18.
We've also been learning about the distributive property, distributing your tens and ones to your groups. Synonyms: pass out and give out.
So for example, if we had 20 plus 4 times 3, we do 3 circles with 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and then we'd have plus 4 in each. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we'd count it all up. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. So we put 12 to the side. Then we count 10, 20, 30, 40, 60. And we do 60 plus 12, and that would get us to 72. Last one.